In today's video, we're going to explore Delimobil, a popular car rental service that's been making waves in the travel and mobility scene. If you're planning a trip and are looking for a flexible way to get around, this could be the option for you. I'll share my personal experience using Delimobil, from booking the car to the actual rental experience, and how it compares to other services in the market. Delimobil is a car-sharing service based in Russia, offering a large fleet of vehicles available for short-term rental. The process is simple. All you need is the Delimobil app, and you can rent a car right from your phone. The service is available in major cities, making it a convenient option for urban travelers. One of the standout features of Delimobil is its flexibility. You can rent a car for as little as 1 hour or up to several days, making it perfect for both short-term and longer trips. The app itself is user-friendly, with a smooth interface that makes it easy to choose a car, book it, and pay for your rental, all from your mobile device. This is especially useful when you're on the go and need a vehicle quickly. While the app is generally reliable, there are a few downsides that I encountered during my experience. For one, the availability of cars can sometimes be limited in certain locations. Although the fleet is large, during peak times, it may be more difficult to find a car nearby. Additionally, some of the vehicles I've rented showed signs of wear and tear, which can be a concern for those looking for a more pristine experience. One of the most important factors when choosing a car rental service is pricing, and Delimobil delivers in this department. The rates are competitive, especially for short rentals. However, if you're looking to rent a car for an extended period, you might find the costs can add up quickly. Another issue I encountered was with customer support. While the team was generally helpful, response times can sometimes be slower than expected. While figuring out how to make the trip smoother, I stumbled upon Get Rent a Car. Since then, traveling's never been easier. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. To sum up, Delimobil offers a convenient and flexible way to rent a car, especially for those who need a car for a short period of time. Its user-friendly app and competitive pricing make it a solid choice for urban travelers. However, availability and vehicle condition can be hit or miss, so it's worth checking the car before you drive off. If you're planning to rent a car in Russia, Delimobil could be a great option, but like any service, it comes with its own set of pros and cons. If you've used Delimobil before, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips, and like the video if you found it helpful.